Thank you so much for supporting us. Here are the step-by-step instructions for your DIY sliding knot wish bracelet. So you're going to take the string that's included, and I give you a lot so you can definitely cut it to size, and you're going to slide the bead right through. Find the center. If you like, you can tie knots on either side here. It will keep the bead from sliding around. You can include or add other beads if you like, if you have any on hand. Then you're going to take the bracelet and you are wrapping each end over the other. The left over the right to start. You're taking it hopefully in the center. Let me find center here. And you're taking the left thread, you're looping it over and under and you can use your finger to wrap it around once. Okay, let's do that again. Once, twice, and you can do more if you like, but then you're taking this end and you're going to slide it through the two loops. So move your finger out of the way. You have your two loops and you're going to pull to tighten. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. I prefer to flip the bracelet over. It's easier for me to do that. And I'm holding it at the bottom. Let's see, I'm going to move it over a little more actually. So you're taking the end and you're looping it this again over your finger one time, two times, and then you are going to move your finger and slide and pull it through. And here you go. There's your finished sliding knot bracelet. I hope you found this helpful. Have a wonderful day.